Alright, so here's what we're going to get into today. Bought this a couple of months ago for the parking lot. I got a road project where I got to break up some pretty good size boulders and some hard ground. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get into it today. I'm going to open it up. Bought it from Harbor Freight, so it's not the most fancy, most exciting thing. It's what was in my budget. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to try it out. I have something in the backyard that I've got to work on, so I'm just going to set you guys up so you can watch. Alright, so here's what's in the box after I opened it up. Comes with two chisels. One is pointy chisel and the other one's a flat chisel. And then it also comes with grease, obviously the instruction book, and then the jackhammer. So it's pretty straightforward. So they come with collarless chisels, so it just slides in. And then you lock it in place. So here in a few minutes I'm going to try it out. But yeah, nothing terribly exciting, but should get the job done. Alright, so here's what we're working with. A little overkill again with the big jackhammer for a concrete fence post. I'm going to break it out. I'm going to have you on my chest. See how bad the vibration is. Not too bad. Breaks it up pretty easy. Well, it breaks them up real nice, but makes it nearly impossible to pull them out, which things could be worse. Let me unplug this and move it out of the way. That's why we got a rock bar. So there you have it. There's the hole we just dug to break out that concrete from this post that broke off out of the fence. So that was using the jackhammer that I bought from Harbor Freight. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully it wasn't too arduous and boring, but if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. All right, thanks again for watching. Talk to you later.